Looking to transform your home into a stylish and sophisticated space? Modern home decor is all about clean lines, functional elegance, and carefully curated details that reflect your personal taste while creating an inviting atmosphere. Embracing a minimalistic approach, modern decor emphasizes simplicity and the beauty of uncluttered spaces. In this video, we'll explore stunning ideas to elevate your interiors with a modern touch. From choosing the right color palette to incorporate neutral tones accented with bold splashes of color, to selecting furniture that embodies sleek silhouettes, we'll cover all the essential elements. We'll also delve into the importance of natural light and how to maximize it, as well as layering textures to add depth to your living spaces. With tips on selecting art pieces that resonate with modern aesthetics and integrating innovative lighting solutions, this guide will inspire you to create a home that not only looks great but feels comfortable and functional as well. Get ready to discover how thoughtful design choices can turn your living environment into a modern masterpiece. Start with a neutral color palette. A modern home starts with a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, gray, and soft earth tones create a clean and sophisticated backdrop. These hues make your space feel airy and open while allowing statement decor pieces to shine. Using a neutral palette does more than just create a calm environment, it also enhances the versatility of your decor choices. When the main elements of your room are in softer tones, you have the freedom to experiment with bolder colors and accessories like cushions, artwork, and rugs, which can easily be changed out to refresh the look of the space. Moreover, neutral colors are timeless and can adapt to evolving trends. Whether you're going for a minimalist aesthetic or something more eclectic, a foundation of neutral shades can seamlessly accommodate changes over time without requiring a complete overhaul. To achieve the best results, consider layering different textures and materials within your neutral palette. Think about plush throws, sleek leather furniture, or a rustic wooden coffee table, which can add depth and interest to your living space without overwhelming the serene atmosphere. Remember that lighting also plays a crucial role in how neutrals are perceived. Natural light can enhance the warmth of beige and soft grays, while strategically placed ambient and task lighting can create inviting shadows and highlights, enhancing the overall feel of your home. Elevate with statement furniture. Invest in statement furniture that combines aesthetics with functionality, creating a focal point in your living space. When selecting pieces, consider those that not only stand out but also serve a purpose. Look for sleek, modern designs characterized by clean lines and an artful blend of materials such as warm wood, durable metal, and transparent glass. These materials not only add depth and interest but also ensure versatility and durability. Incorporate a statement sofa that invites relaxation while making a bold impression. Choose neutral tones with a pop of color or an interesting texture to lift the room's atmosphere. Pair it with a designer coffee table that acts as a conversation starter. Consider unique shapes, organic forms, or innovative design elements that reflect your personal style. Accent chairs should complement the overall aesthetic, reinforcing the theme with striking designs or patterns. Choose pieces that balance comfort with artistry, providing additional seating without overwhelming the space. Keep the overall arrangement minimal yet elegant, allowing each piece of furniture to breathe while maintaining a balanced and cohesive look. This approach ensures that your home reflects your personality while remaining functional and inviting for family and guests. Layer textures for depth. Adding different textures is essential in bringing warmth and depth to a modern space. The contrast between soft and hard surfaces creates visual interest and a more dynamic environment. For instance, mixing luxurious soft textiles like velvet and breathable linen with sturdy materials such as sleek marble, warm wood, or cold metal introduces layers to the design. A carefully chosen textured rug not only anchors the room but also invites comfort, while an assortment of cozy throw pillows can offer pops of color and varying tactile experiences. Sculptural decor pieces, whether they be ceramic vases, metallic sculptures, or wooden accents, contribute to the overall aesthetic, allowing for thoughtful interplay between textures. By deliberately curating these elements, you can transform a simple modern bedroom into a sanctuary that feels both intimate and stylish. Incorporate stylish lighting. Lighting is not just a practical necessity, it is a key element of modern home decor that can transform a space. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, consider opting for statement lighting pieces such as elegant pendant lights that draw the eye and provide a focal point over dining areas, or contemporary chandeliers that make a bold statement in living rooms or entryways. In addition to these standout features, incorporating sleek LED strips can be a game changer. These versatile strips can be placed under cabinets, along shelves, or in niches to provide subtle illumination that enhances architectural elements while also ensuring functionality. The soft glow of LED lighting can create a sophisticated ambience that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. A layered lighting approach is essential in modern home design. This involves mixing different types of lighting. Ambient lights provide overall brightness, task lights are essential for specific activities like reading or cooking, and accent lights highlight artwork or architectural details. By combining these layers, you create a more dynamic and visually appealing environment that caters to various moods and functions throughout your home. Remember, thoughtful lighting design not only improves visibility but also plays a crucial role in setting the tone and enhancing the beauty of your space. So, choose your lighting fixtures with intention, and let them shine in your decor. Use art and decor with purpose. Decorate with intention by choosing artwork and statement pieces that not only fit well within your space, but also reflect your personal style and taste. When selecting abstract art, consider how the colors and forms resonate with the overall aesthetic of your room. Minimalist sculptures can serve as focal points on shelves or tables, offering a three-dimensional contrast that enhances the visual interest without overwhelming the space. Framed photography, especially in cohesive color schemes, can evoke emotions and memories while contributing to an elegant atmosphere. By paying attention to the collective impact of these decorative elements, you can transform your home into a sanctuary that is both refined and sophisticated, ultimately creating an environment that inspires and comforts. Create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Blurring the line between indoors and outdoors is a major modern design trend that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. By utilizing large windows and expansive glass doors, you can invite an abundance of natural light into your living spaces, making them feel more open and airy. Consider using sliding glass doors that can be fully retracted, allowing for a smooth transition between the interior of your home and your outdoor entertainment area or garden. This creates an inviting atmosphere for gatherings with family and friends, where the boundaries of inside and outside are beautifully merged. Furthermore, incorporating a variety of indoor plants can enhance this connection. Choose plants that thrive in sunlight and can easily adapt to both indoor conditions and patio environments. This not only ties the two spaces together visually, but also improves air quality and adds a vibrant, organic feel to your living area. To maximize this indoor-outdoor synergy, design your layout so that the outdoor area flows directly from a main living space, such as the living room or kitchen. Use complementary colors and materials that reflect the natural landscape outside, and incorporate outdoor elements like water features, pathways, or native flora that draw the eye outwards. Additionally, consider the functionality of the space. Outdoor seating can be styled to match or complement your indoor furnishings, creating an inviting and cohesive look. Strategically placed lighting can also extend the usability of your outdoor space into the evening, making it an enchanting extension of your home. Keep it clutter-free and functional. Modern decor embraces the philosophy of functionality and simplicity, prioritizing ease of use while maintaining aesthetic appeal. To achieve a clutter-free environment, start by evaluating your existing items and removing anything that no longer serves a purpose or brings you joy. Implement smart storage solutions such as hidden cabinets, undershelf organizers, and vertical storage options to maximize space without overwhelming your surfaces. When choosing furniture, opt for multifunctional pieces like ottomans with hidden storage or coffee tables that can transform into dining tables. Ensuring that your home remains polished and effortlessly stylish requires a commitment to organizing, as well as a focus on design that emphasizes clean lines and a harmonious color palette. By fostering an atmosphere of simplicity, you not only enhance the visual appeal of your living spaces, but also create a more serene and enjoyable day-to-day experience. With these modern home decor ideas, you can create a space that feels fresh, stylish, and inviting. Each concept allows for personalization and creativity, catering to various tastes and preferences. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room with contemporary art pieces, introduce minimalist furniture that optimizes space, or incorporate eco-friendly materials that promote sustainability, there are countless options to explore. For instance, consider adding bold color accents through cushions or wall art to create a focal point in the room. Mixing textures, such as sleek metals with soft textiles, can also add depth and interest to your decor. Additionally, plants not only freshen up the air but also bring a touch of nature indoors, enhancing the overall ambience. Which idea is your favorite? We encourage you to get involved and share your thoughts in the comments section. Your feedback is valuable, and we love hearing from our community. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home decor inspiration. This way, you'll stay updated on the latest trends and tips to transform your space into a personal sanctuary that reflects your style and personality.